Hi, what's your name?
Shravani.
Shavani. What's yours?
लिखिता.
So basically मेरा हिंदी का चैनल है. Now I'll turn to English because these girls are comfortable in English. What kind of guy do you like?
Who is loyal?
Who is loyal? Oh,
Yes.
perfect. And what's your definition?
Who is caring
Caring.
and who shouldn't keep any restrictions or control.
What kind of restrictions you don't want?
He should be like वो केयर करना है,
हाँ.
वो रेस्ट्रिक्ट भी करना है,
हाँ.
बट ऐसे नहीं कि हमारा चॉइस को भी उसको वो अग्री करना है. He
Okay.
has to agree to our choices and first he has to listen and then he has to think whether it is suitable for this girl or not and then he has to say no.
Perfect. If guy is not earning, right?
If
Guy is not earning,
okay,
you are earning.
okay,
So can you manage with that guy?
it
With
depends.
your salary?
तो थोड़ा टाइम के लिए तो ओके है, पूरा लाइफ टाइम के लिए तो नहीं.
What is your expectation? How much guy should earn to manage a family?
According to me, I say luxury things. I don't want any luxury things. At least 3 times a day food and a room, good house. That's it. No
What
more
about
luxury.
money? It's about like how we manage to live.
Now in our generation, if both are educated, then money doesn't matter.
Perfect.
We can earn. Like sometimes the guy will be in low and sometimes me.
Perfect.
But with the understanding, we can.
So
manage.
mutual understanding must be good, right?
Huh.
Perfect. You mean it should be caring, it should be like understood what you are saying at certain point of time. Since how long, how many guys you have dated so far?
No, no, no,
You have not dated any guy.
no.
You are so shy.
I am an introvert.
You are introvert.
Same
ओ
here.
भाई इंट्रोवर्ट लड़की से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ यार. Okay, so how many relationship you have been till today?
I am not
Dating
dating.
Zero.
No
right?
relation.
No, dating is different and relationship is different.
We do like.
There is no
If they are
dating. There is
dating,
no
then we-
relationship.
हाँ.
Only
So
one guy.
you will go for only marriages and all.
Yes.
You have to marry a guy. What you look a single thing that he should have within that single thing. Okay, you tell one thing you cannot manage without.
He should have more patience. Because I will get more angry because of small things. He should be more patient enough.
Okay, you beat also in anger.
No, I will not beat, but I will shout.
Oh, you can shout now.
Not in public place.
Okay. If guy is angry and you are also angry, then who should stop first?
That is what mutual understanding we are expecting, right?
Yeah.
If both are like angry,
Like if
then-
both are also angry, after some time I will cool down. And again I will go and tell sorry if it was my mistake.
So in your life, you want simple guy or it should be swagger type or cool dude?
Simple.
देख के भी लग रहा है personality. She wants simple guy. Definition of simplicity in your terms.
being grounded.
Perfect. So, which is your favorite cricketer? No one.
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli, like he is a green forest, I would say, because I am seeing whenever he won the match, the way he see Anushka Sharma and
He will go straight forward to his wife. It
So
will-
you have
we don't
imaginary
care-
worlds and all.
we don't care of the people around, means in that
Okay.
match.
like his priority is his wife.
You love food?
Yeah.
Okay. So which is your favorite dish?
I love more sweets.
Sweets? Huh. You
Huh.
can tell me sweets as well.
Gulab jamun I love most. And then salankatiya, you know?
What?
Salankati.
Never eat that Sri Lanka tea.
It will be like pista chocolate mix. So
Oh.
it will be good in Thane. Feel laban.
Okay. So it's like South Indian dish?
No, it is a sweet.
Which South Indian dish is special for you? You love most?
Not South Indian dish, but in our state, in Telangana, we eat this sarvapindi. We call it sarvapindi.
Okay.
It is a spicy thing. I love it most.
You are mountain girl or beach girl?
Beach.
Beach girl. And
Same be.
till date, What is the most expensive thing you have bought for yourself?
I bought dresses. I will buy more dresses.
Do you love to travel? Which is the best place you have ever visited till date?
Till date.
Yeah.
Nanemachi waterfalls.
Where it is?
I don't know where it is, but it is 220 kilometers from Mumbai.
Your favorite superstar?
Superstar.
Yeah.
Hero, you are
Yeah.
asking. South Indian.
Which hero?
Nani, you know Nani?
Nani.
Natural star.
Nani.
He's a, like completely South.
He's
Bollywood film.
from South.
Just tell me, you want romantic guy or you normal guy?
What is the difference?
I'm just asking you. You want romantic guy in your life or you want normal guy?
A better normal guy. Normal
what about
guy.
you?
We can't handle romantic guys.
Till date, what is the worst thing you have ever faced?
MSET results.
Results. You got beatings from your parents? They used to beat as well.
At that time when I'm small.
So what is the horrible thing you have ever done in your life?
Horrible thing. Coming to Marine Drive on parade.
What you have done in your life, you feel guilty after doing that thing, certain thing.
Coming to Marine Drive on that
You,
day.
you feel guilty?
Because it is a parade, like 10,000 people were there.
No. After winning, cricketers came right here.
Yeah.
So we came here to see them.
Yeah.
And I came with my office bag.
Yeah.
And it got separated from me completely. That bag consists of my laptop, my ID, everything.
Okay.
And thank God it, anyhow, it again
Since how long you are doing job?
3.5 years.
All the very best to you. May God bless you. I hope you will do wonders in life ahead. And thank you so much.
Thank you.